Welcome to my channel Cyber Network. In today's interconnected world, Wi-Fi networks are everywhere. We use them at home, at work, and in public spaces. This reliance on Wi-Fi makes it essential to secure these networks from unauthorized access. This is where Wi-Fi penetration testing comes in. Wi-Fi penetration testing is like a controlled attack on a Wi-Fi network. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, perform these tests. Their goal is to find vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. By simulating real-world attack scenarios, ethical hackers can identify weaknesses in a network's security. This information helps organizations strengthen their defenses. It prevents data breaches and protects sensitive information. Understanding the methods used by malicious hackers is crucial for effective penetration testing. One such method involves using powerful tools like Hashcat to crack Wi-Fi passwords. Before we dive into the world of hacking, it's important to understand how Wi-Fi security works. Most Wi-Fi networks use a security protocol called WPA2 or the newer WPA3. These protocols encrypt the data transmitted over the network. When you connect to a Wi-Fi network, your device performs a handshake with the router. This handshake involves exchanging encrypted keys to establish a secure connection. The encryption keys are generated based on the network's password. Hackers try to intercept this handshake process to capture the encrypted keys. Once they have the encrypted keys, they can use a tool like Hashcat to crack the password and gain access to the network. The stronger the Wi-Fi password, the more difficult it is to crack. Using long, complex passwords with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is essential for robust Wi-Fi security. Hashcat is a powerful password cracking tool used by both ethical and malicious hackers. It's a free and open-source software available for various operating systems including Windows. Hashcat specializes in cracking hashes, which are one-way functions that convert data into a fixed-length string of characters. When you enter a password on a website or Wi-Fi network, it's usually not stored in plain text. Instead, it's hashed. This means that even if someone steals the database of passwords, they won't be able to see the actual passwords directly. Hashcat comes into play by attempting to guess the password that generated the hash. It does this by using various techniques, including brute force attacks, dictionary attacks, and rule-based attacks. These attacks systematically try different password combinations until they find a match. The speed and efficiency of Hashcat make it a formidable tool in the wrong hands. It can crack even complex passwords in a relatively short amount of time, depending on the hardware used and the password's complexity. To crack a Wi-Fi password with Hashcat, hackers first need to capture the handshake between a device and the router. This is where Wi-Fi sniffing tools come in. These tools, often available for free online, allow hackers to monitor and capture network traffic. One popular Wi-Fi sniffing tool is called Aircrack-ng. It's a suite of tools that can be used to monitor, attack, and test Wi-Fi networks. Hackers use Aircrack-ng to put their wireless network adapter into monitor mode. Once in monitor mode, the adapter can capture all data transmitted over the Wi-Fi network, including the handshake. When a device connects to the network or when the hacker forces a device to reconnect, the handshake is captured. The captured handshake is then saved to a file, which is later used as input for Hashcat. The hacker now has the encrypted key material needed to attempt to crack the Wi-Fi password. Section 5. Cracking the code Hashcat in action. With the captured handshake in hand, the hacker can now use Hashcat to crack the Wi-Fi password. They launch Hashcat on their Windows machine and specify the captured handshake file as input. Next, the hacker chooses the type of attack they want to perform. Brute force attacks try all possible character combinations within a specified length. Dictionary attacks use a list of common passwords. Rule-based attacks use predefined rules to generate password combinations. Hashcat then starts working its magic using the chosen attack method to try and crack the password. The time it takes to crack the password depends on factors like the password's complexity, the attack method used, and the processing power of the hacker's computer. If the attack is successful, Hashcat will display the cracked password. The hacker can then use this password to gain unauthorized access to the Wi-Fi network. Section 6. The Windows Advantage, why hackers prefer it. While Hashcat is available for various operating systems, many hackers prefer using it on Windows. This is because Windows offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of compatible tools. Windows provides a familiar environment for hackers who are already accustomed to using the operating system. The graphical user interface makes it easy to navigate and use Hashcat's features. Additionally, many Wi-Fi hacking tools and scripts are specifically designed for Windows. This compatibility ensures a smoother workflow for hackers using Hashcat on Windows. The widespread availability of Windows machines also makes it easier for hackers to acquire the necessary hardware for running Hashcat. Section 7. A step-by-step guide to ethical Wi-Fi hacking. It's important to remember that hacking into Wi-Fi networks without permission is illegal and unethical. However, ethical hackers can use these techniques to test the security of their own networks or networks they have been authorized to test. Ethical hacking always starts with obtaining permission from the network owner. This ensures that the testing is legal and that the network owner is aware of the potential risks. Once permission is granted, ethical hackers can use the same tools and techniques as malicious hackers to identify vulnerabilities. They can then report their findings to the network owner and provide recommendations for improving security. Ethical hacking is a valuable skill in today's cybersecurity landscape. By understanding the methods used by malicious hackers, ethical hackers can help organizations strengthen their defenses and protect sensitive data. Section 8. The ethical hacker, a force for good. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in making the digital world a safer place. They use their skills to identify vulnerabilities and improve security, rather than exploiting them for personal gain. Many organizations employ ethical hackers to conduct penetration testing and vulnerability assessments. These professionals help organizations identify and address security weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. Ethical hackers often share their knowledge and findings with the security community. This collaboration helps develop better security tools, techniques, and best practices. By promoting ethical hacking and cybersecurity awareness, we can create a more secure digital environment for everyone. Section 9. Real-world examples, Wi-Fi hacks, and their implications. Wi-Fi hacking incidents have made headlines, highlighting the real-world consequences of insecure networks. One notable example is the 2017 WPA2 KRACK attack. The KRACK attack exploited a vulnerability in the WPA2 protocol, allowing attackers to intercept and decrypt Wi-Fi traffic. This vulnerability affected a wide range of devices, including laptops, smartphones, and routers. Another example is the 2018 Marriott data breach, where hackers gained access to the hotel chain's Wi-Fi network and stole millions of guest records. These incidents demonstrate the importance of strong Wi-Fi security measures and the need for regular penetration testing to identify and address vulnerabilities. Section 10. Tools and resources for aspiring ethical hackers. For those interested in pursuing a career in ethical hacking, numerous resources are available to learn the necessary skills. Online platforms offer courses and certifications in ethical hacking and penetration testing. Organizations like the EC Council, Offensive Security, and SANS Institute provide industry-recognized certifications for ethical hackers. These certifications validate an individual's skills and knowledge in the field. In addition to formal education, aspiring ethical hackers can practice their skills in virtual environments known as Capture the Flag, CTF competitions. These competitions present participants with various security challenges to solve. Books, blogs, and online communities dedicated to cybersecurity provide valuable information and insights for those looking to expand their knowledge. Section 11. Conclusion: Staying ahead in the cybersecurity game. In today's interconnected world, cybersecurity is paramount. As Wi-Fi networks become increasingly ubiquitous, it's crucial to prioritize their security. Ethical hacking plays a vital role in identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. By understanding the tools and techniques used by hackers, organizations can strengthen their defenses and protect sensitive data. Hashcat, a powerful password cracking tool, exemplifies the importance of strong passwords and robust security measures. Ethical hackers serve as a crucial line of defense in the ongoing battle against cybercrime. By promoting ethical hacking practices and fostering a culture of cybersecurity awareness, we can create a safer and more secure digital environment. Staying ahead in the cybersecurity game requires continuous learning, adaptation, and collaboration. By embracing these principles, we can mitigate risks, protect our data, and ensure a more secure future for all. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my channel, Cyber Network.